In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website on Bluehost. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from your account dashboard to launching a WordPress site using a professionally designed template with clear guidance on the choices you'll see along the way. Start by signing in to your Bluehost account and heading to the My Account home. This is your main hub. If you just logged in, you'll likely land here automatically. Take a second to confirm you're on the correct account, especially if you manage multiple domains or hosting plans. Next, open the website section. This is where Bluehost organizes your existing sites and where you'll add new ones. Important note, the site creation tools are available on plans that support website building and WordPress management. If you're on an entry-level plan that doesn't include those tools, you'll see a prompt to upgrade before you can proceed. It's a good idea to verify your subscription details now so you don't get interrupted mid-setup. Click Add Website. This starts a guided flow that sets up your site's environment for you. Bluehost will handle the technical provisioning in the background, so you can focus on configuration and design. You'll be asked to choose the type of environment: WordPress, transfer WordPress to website, or an empty environment. Pick WordPress for a fresh, ready-to-build site. Choose transfer if you already have a WordPress site elsewhere and want it moved here. Select empty environment only if you plan to configure everything manually. It's best for advanced users. Now, choose how you want to create your site: with AI Builder, with a template, or migrate an existing site. AI Builder quickly drafts a layout based on your inputs, which you can customize later. With a template lets you start from a curated design and tailor it to your brand. Migrate is ideal if you're bringing an existing site over without redesigning it. Select Template to browse the available designs. You'll see categories and styles optimized for different industries and page structures. Click on a template that fits the look and features you need. Don't worry, you can change colors, fonts, images, and sections later. Use Preview to explore the template before committing. Click through sample pages, scan headings and spacing, and check how the layout handles text,